Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about sum function. This function is useful to sum the numbers in the defined range. Here I am going to mention three types of requirements. First one is sum entire range, and second one is sum the range based on a criteria, and third one is sum the range based on multiple criteria. So based on these requirements we can find three functions: sum, SumIF, SumIFS. So in this video I am going to give brief introduction about these three functions. First I am starting with sum function. Here I have data from the column of A to D. So I am going to use this data to retrieve the output equivalent to sum. This function allows 255 references, like here we can find number 1 and number 2. At the bottom we can find application returned number 255, means we can sum up to 255 references. Here I am mentioning my first reference. Click on OK. So application returned the output. If you want to combine another reference also, here I am mentioning one more reference. There we can find application returned the output after providing the sum on mentioned references. Next I am going to explain about SumIF function equivalent to SumIF. This function consists of three functional arguments. First one is range, and second one is criteria, third one is sum range. So from the available data I am going to find the sum of the pencil sales. So here I am considering column B's data against the functional argument of range. Thereafter, coming to criteria, here I am mentioning pencil. Next I am mentioning sum range. Sum range is column C's data. Click on OK. So here output is 619, which represents to sum of pencil sales data. Next I am going to explain about SumIFS. This function allows the user to use multiple criteria. Here I am writing the function SumIFS. First I am mentioning the sum range. Sum range means column C's data. Thereafter here I am mentioning criteria range. So criteria range is column B's data. It is my first criteria. From that I am going to consider pen as my criteria. Next I am mentioning criteria range 2. Here we can observe that sum range is constant. User has to mention different criteria based on the requirement. Here I considered sum range as sales, which exists in column C. On that sales column I am going to use different criteria by considering different columns. Here I am mentioning column A's data. From that I am considering year as greater than 2016. Next, here I am considering the zone. Here my criteria is east. Click on OK. Let us cross check the output. Pen. From that, and my second condition is year should be greater than 2016. So from the available years we can find 2018. Next, zone equivalent to east. We have only single row. Hence application returned 487 as output. Next I am using formula text function equivalent to formula text. Drag fill handle. So this is the brief introduction about SumIFS function. If you like this content, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.